Hello and welcome to BAi TV. I'm your embroidery assistant Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to solve two common problems encountered by newbies. No needle and the main axis not at 100 degrees. First of all, you can see that the needle number on the computer display is now 00. And this time, when we look at the main axis, we'll find that it is not at 100 degrees. And the take-up lever is also in the down position. Next, I'm going to show you how to solve this problem. Step 1. Turn the color change knob slightly from side to side, not too hard. At the same time, observe the number of needles on the display until the number of needles shows any number other than 00. Then, stop rotating. It should be reminded here that when the main axis is not at 100 degrees, turning the color change knob will only stop at the current needle position and not move it to another needle position. For example, now that the main axis is not at 100 degrees and the machine is at needle 1 position, so it will always stay at needle 1 position, no matter how much I rotate the color change knob. Step 2. When the machine is in the correct needle position, click on the 100 degree icon on the screen. Then the machine will automatically return to 100 degrees, and the take-up lever will return to the horizontal position. Now you can get back to using your embroidery machine. Thanks for watching this video, and feel free to follow us for more embroidering tips and tutorials.